Hi guys, it's Van from Review My Life coming to you with an honest review for a tool to make your life in construction so much more relaxing. You can check out Walabot's website in the description below so we can go through their website together, or you can as always finish listening to the video and then checking out the website. Either way, I'm just letting you know that the website link is in the description below. So, what is Walabot? Walabot is the world's best stud finder. Walabot detects studs, pipes, wires in movement. It even goes through about 4 inches or 10 centimeters deep. It sees through drywall and lath and plaster, and it's compatible with your Android phone. So it also comes with a protective case. So Walabot is capable of seeing up to 4 inches into walls, providing everyone with the location of studs, the stud center, plumbing pipes, electrical wires, and even movement behind the walls to help find pests, I would say. And Walabot acts as a window to your walls, showing you what's hidden from view. Whether you're a contractor or a weekend DIYer, your toolbox isn't complete without the Walabot. Trust me. It's honestly a great tool, and no stub finder is perfect under every circumstance, but Walabot just takes it a step above the rest, especially for the price. I've used this for quite some time now, and it's been saving me tons and tons of time. When I first got my Walabot, there was definitely a learning curve to make it work as I wanted it to. The app does need a bit of getting used to, with all the steps you must take each time, and sometimes right as I'm about to use it. But I honestly wouldn't cut a wall without the Walabot. The kit basically helped me out not hit wires and pipes while locating the studs with ease. Since the first time I've used it, I haven't cut into pipes, I haven't cut into wires, I haven't wasted any time drilling into empty spots, and mind you, it does look bad if you do that by accident. And I hooked it up to an old cell phone of mine permanently, and it's become ready to use all the time. So if you're looking to save time, money, and effort, definitely check out the Walabot. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to check out Walabot's website in the description below. Comment down below if you've been looking for something like this, and we hope that we helped. This has been Van from Review My Life, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!